Which which of the following statements related to the modern periodic table is incorrect and why? First, each block contains a number of columns equal to the number of electrons that can occupy that subshell. Second statement, the D block has 8 columns because a maximum 8 electrons can occupy all the orbitals in D subshell. So the correct one is statement A. This statement A is correct and B is incorrect. Statement B is incorrect because D subshell can have a maximum of 10 electrons. Therefore, it has 10 columns and not 8. Next, all transition metals are D block elements, but all D block elements are not transition metals. Explain. Answer is, elements in which transition of electrons to higher energy d orbitals cannot take place are not transition elements. Thus, elements like zinc, cadmium, mercury, Zn, Cd and Hg in which all the d orbitals are completely filled are not transition elements, although they have been grouped with d block. Next, one of the spectral line of the cesium has a wavelength of 456 nanometer. Calculate the frequency of this line. So, it is given that the wavelength lambda is equals to denoted by this symbol 456 nm, and it can be written as in this way into 10 to the power minus 9 meter, 456 into 10 to the minus 9 meter, and C, velocity of light 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So we know that frequency is equals to C by lambda. So putting these values in it, and we have to solve this, then we get the frequency 6.5 into 10 to the power 14 hertz. Next, PbO and PbO2 react with HCl according to the following reactions. This one, why do these compounds differ in their reactivity? Answer is, oxidation number of Pb in PbO is +2, while PbO2 it is +4. This causes the compounds to differ in their reactivity. While PbO reacts with HCl to give acid-base reaction, and PbO2 reacts with HCl to give redox reaction. So this is, the first one gives acid-base reaction and the second one reaction is a redox reaction. Next, consider the reaction of water with F2 and suggest in terms of oxidation and reduction which species are oxidized or reduced. Answer is 2H2 plus 2F2 arrow 4HF plus O2. F2 is the oxidizing agent and H2O is reducing agent. H2 is getting oxidized to O2, whereas F2 is getting reduced to F negative ion. Next, complete the following reactions. PbS gas plus H2O2 aqueous. Then what it forms? It forms PbSO4 solid and 4H2O. And the next one is CO gas, carbon monoxide plus 2H2 gas, cobalt as a catalyst. Then what it gives? It gives CH3OH. Why do magnesium and beryllium not impart color to the flame in the flame test? Answer is, the energy required to excite outer electrons in the atoms of Be and Mg does not lie in the visible range of radiation. Therefore, no absorption of radiation takes place and hence no color is imparted to the flame in the flame test. Thank you.